Well, we, Jack, are at the end of our show, but I always like to ask all my guests, do you have any advice for anyone out there, young, trying to pursue a passion or a dream?
Go for it.
Okay.
Just send it. You're going to fail.
Yep.
You're 100% going to fail. You cannot control failure.
Awesome.
It's going to happen, and the best part about failure is you're going to learn. You're going to learn, you're going to be a better person, you're going to be a better athlete, you're going to be a better businessman, woman, you're going to be a better leader. If I were to erase all the mistakes I made in my life, I'd erase the person I am today.
Gotcha.
So send it. Go all the way, chase after it, take risk, have fun with it.
I love it. Excellent. Well, Jack, thank you so much for joining me on the show today. I really appreciate you coming.
All right, thank you. Thanks for having me, Yoshi. I appreciate it.
Thank you. And I hope everybody out there has a spectacular rest of the day.